Meaning of grooved.
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 Grooved. Grooved is an adjective that describes something that has narrow, long indentations or channels on its surface. This term is often used to describe surfaces that are designed to provide better grip or traction, such as the grooves on the soles of shoes or the treads on car tires. Grooved surfaces can also have aesthetic value and are commonly found in decorative architecture or furniture. Overall, grooved refers to a series of continuous, parallel lines or ridges that create a textured surface for functional or decorative purposes.